Delaget Coach is a software-as-a-service solution that makes it easy for your managers to monitor restaurant performance metrics from one screen and quickly take action. They'll be able to zero in on problems and opportunities, get the relevant context, and take action to address issues faster and easier than ever before. The system's interactive dashboard gives you all the information you and your managers need to make informed decisions every day. No more connecting the dots between multiple systems and reports. All of your key metrics are on one screen. Delaget Coach gathers and tracks data for your key performance areas and visually presents that data to you and your managers through interactive gauges that reveal how your restaurants are performing as compared to company goals. Armed with this insight, your managers will know instantly where to focus their efforts to address problems or capitalize on opportunities. Instead of spending hours reviewing multiple reports, they can quickly spot and act on areas that need attention by keeping an eye on these easy-to-read gauges. Best of all, the gauges can be tailored to fit your business needs. You can select the metrics you want to track and set the thresholds in accordance with your brand guidelines. Clicking on any of the 6 gauges brings you to a detail screen about that metric. For example, you can drill into your speed of service data by clicking on the drive-through timer gauge, which pulls data directly from your drive-through timer system. You can also easily compare your restaurant's performance to its goals. A blue arrow below the gauge indicates performance is within the company standards, while a red arrow indicates improvement is needed. On the Voice of Customer gauge, you'll see guest feedback alongside the specific ticket associated with the feedback and details like channel, cashier, time of day, and items purchased. This transaction detail gives your managers exactly what they need to know to coach or recognize their employees. Also from the main screen, your managers can compare performance to the previous year for such metrics as sales productivity, labor hours, and speed of service. Convenient access to this historical data makes it easier for them to plan quickly and effectively. Your managers have a lot on their plate, and it's hard for them to know where to focus their limited time. The Delaget Coach Opportunity area shows the monetary impact of not reaching your goals in each performance area. So instead of guessing at how to prioritize their efforts, your managers can quickly see where they should focus to have the biggest impact to the bottom line. The ranking function shows restaurant managers how their performance compares to other managers, and area coaches and other above store leaders use it to monitor location performance. The rankings are a great conversation topic for weekly manager meetings and an avenue for sharing best practices. For example, a manager who ranked number 1 in one area can describe to the other managers how they're achieving such strong results. One of the most exciting areas of Delaget Coach is the employee information. Managers can monitor employee performance by clicking on the Employees box. The system identifies your strongest employees and also provides tangible areas of improvement for each staff member. For example, it will tell you which employees are fastest and slowest at the register and drive-thru, and who's the best at upselling. This information is also super valuable because it gives restaurant managers the tools and talking points they can use in their one-on-ones with their staff to give them specific feedback and coaching on day-to-day performance. You've now had a brief introduction to Delaget Coach and how it can help you monitor performance at a glance, pinpoint areas of concern or opportunity, drive improvements, and track employee performance for both recognition and coaching opportunities. But there's a lot more to see. To learn more about how Delaget Coach could work for you and your franchise, reach out to us by clicking on the Request a Demo button.